Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Real One N's YouTube channel, guys. Now, my peeps, we have a next story to bring to you guys, and you have to know, say, a Jamaican slap with an ex-Jamaican in a curacao. And people, it's not a good look. You understand? Because what the news say happen is that the two men catch up over a car sheet. And a car sheet is a piece of furniture where you know them put clothes in it, you understand? So the two of them get in an altercation over the car sheet. One say I go for him gun and one say I go for him machete. The one who say I go for him machete, the new same wife hold him and I tell him to low it. And he still end up, shuffle out my wife and end up go confront the one with where say I go for him gun. And that the one there, he was up in gun, people. He was up here. He put one in the next brother head. We say we go for him machete. Same one when wife a hold. And I tell him if he done with it. And according to the news also, I don't know if this accurate. But the news I say people see what did go happen out of it. And the one who dead, the one who lose him life, then say that one they get paid if done the whole issue, if done the whole altercation, the whole argument, the whole war. You understand? They saying get paid if done everything. Now people, we have one up on the run and one in a mag. And this whole thing could have avoid people. This whole thing could have avoid. In this time we have to know how to avoid certain situations, to de-escalate situation before we reach to a point where you know one are going to lose their life or get hurt. You understand? Because the whole of we look something out of life and we end up leave the country and go in our next man country and we work to try for better with life. And but somewhere along the road they have some man stray away. You understand? And then get caught up in a certain things. I may tell you peeps, this really not good because everywhere we as Jamaican go, the people them have high power. You understand? As aggressive people. And that is not a good look for we and a whole as Jamaican, you understand, and for our country. But sometimes them small things you can avoid wearing a man. Can avoid them things a man just de-escalate the situation and find reasonable way how to settle them little things. You understand? Because right now no look good. One in a mag and one up on the run. Because they want to do the slap way. They want to do the slap way. I'm not going to use the other word. The one that they on the run same way. And you just sad to know your wife a hold you and I tell you if you done with it. And you end up shuffle out of your wife's hand and go lose your life there way there. You understand? So people Real One N's YouTube there. And I have to bring it to you and make you know what I go on. You understand? So once more again, we appreciate everybody who take the time out to view the content. Everybody who support the channel. We really love and respect you. You understand? And anybody who new to the channel and just find the channel, do remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the updates. You understand? Because Real One N's YouTube channel is not a boring channel. You understand? We try to keep it upload, mix, you understand? We don't come out every day with the same thing, the same exact thing. So, subscribe to the channel because you will find a lot of video on the channel where I know you guys will enjoy and like, you understand? Yeah man, Real One N's YouTube there. Big up and bless up to yourself. Enough love and enough respect. Until next time, bless up on yourself. We're there.